The KICKER KRC55 Digital Commander offers a bright, full-color, liquid crystal display that stays easy to read even in harsh marine lighting conditions. It mirrors and manages nearly all core functions of a compatible KMC5 source unit, so you can control your music from a secondary helm or seating area without walking back and forth. Its water-resistant construction with a high ingress protection rating is purpose-built for boats and outdoor vehicles that regularly see spray, splashes, and rough weather. The compact rectangular housing fits cleanly into tight dash spaces, and the included snap-on trim ring gives the installation a finished, factory-like appearance. Button layout and screen graphics are straightforward and intuitive, making it simple to adjust volume, change sources, and skip tracks even with wet hands or while underway. Overall, this remote commander adds real convenience and durability to a marine audio system, extending the usefulness of a KICKER KMC5 setup across more of the boat.